What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and welcome to episode number 5 of Modify My Mercedes. In this episode, I'm going to give you an update on the dynamic wing mirrors and show you everything I've done to this car, and also I'll be adding some blades to the front bumper of this car as well. So as always, people, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. So as I've modified most of the exterior of this car, I've put up the front grille with the wrap and of the roof and the wing mirrors. Not only that, we've added a boot spoiler. We've also added a C63 quad pipe diffuser, and I put on some dynamic wing mirror lights in the previous episode, so, and I had to take them off as well, so I'll tell you that later after the intro in this video. So yeah, let's get started. Here they are. Here are the wiper blades. Now, if you don't know, in 2015 and to 2018 models, the front bumper of the W205 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, they don't actually come with the blades in the bumper air vents at the bottom. The 2019 models do, but the ones before that, they don't. So I've been looking all over the internet and I've actually found these on eBay. So these are the blades. I'll show you a bit more after the intro, and they come with some 3M tape around it. So all you got to do, it's just a simple easy fix, to be honest, and hopefully it'll look really good and it'll make the front end look stand out even more. So let's get started. What's happening, people? Here is what I'm talking about with these cutouts right here. So they are quite plain, to be honest, that side and the other side. And like I said, in the 2019 models, these are fitted with some blades which I've got in the car. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this episode of Modify My Mercedes. But just a quick update on the dynamic lights which I fitted in episode number 4, the previous episode. I've actually took them off because they're so cheap. I actually got them from Wish for like £15 or something like that. I wished I didn't actually get them, to be honest. Here they are. I kept getting lights on my dash saying the indicator lights is broken, they need changing. And what I've found out is, don't know if you can actually see, let me just zoom out a bit. The pins are so cheap, they just break. They happen to the right hand side, and I'm pretty sure if I kept doing left them on the left hand side would actually be the same. So my advice, if you want to actually get dynamic lights, get some premium ones. They are better quality ones out there, so I'm going to still look for them and fit them to my car. So but I had to put on the original ones because these are so cheap. Don't buy anything from Wish. I've done previous videos on my Allsortzz channel from items from Wish, and they're just all cheap and cheerful, but probably not even cheerful, to be honest. So I've took them off. They'll be going in the bin because they're crap. No point even giving them out because you're just going to get the same problem. And in this video today, I'm just going to show you how to install the blades on the front bumper, and we'll see how it looks before and after. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was episode number 5 of Modify My Mercedes. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. With the events that I've got on the moment with the 2015 to 2018 model, the front sensor is placed in the middle and the blades are placed on the top and the bottom in between the sensor. Obviously you can't do that with the 2016 model. You have to place it a bit under, and the blades just fit nicely, so that's why there's a little bit of gap on the top from the bottom. So it still looks a bit good. Let me know what your thoughts in the comment section below. Should I leave them on or should I take them off? They look good, so if they look good, might as well leave them on. But yeah, with the wing mirrors that I was talking about earlier, I'm going to try and find some premium ones, and when I do, I'll do another episode and show you the difference between the pins that are in this cheap version of Wish dynamic lights compared to the premium ones. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that. If you want any if you've got any thoughts on what I should do next, then let me know in the comment section below. Like I said to you before, I've got some ideas of what I should do inside of the car and also the outside. The major thing being the wheels. The wheels I'm going to change at the last. I want everything done to the car, then I will change the wheels. Anyways, thank you for watching this episode 5 of Modify My Mercedes, and I'll see you again for another video.